Hey all, this is Anirudh Biswas. Uh, few of my friends, last few days, they are telling me that they wanted to create Power Apps as a beginner level. Okay, they don't know how to develop easily a Power Apps. They are working in, SharePoint for very long, but most of them are working in SharePoint on premises. So they are wanted to come in SharePoint online. As you know, Office 365 is a cloud-based uh, platform provided by Microsoft. In this area, Microsoft provided many apps, Power Apps and Flow, one of them. So mostly we use Power Apps to, I mean, let's say there is a industry where printed form-based things are there, okay, and your organization want to automate this process or submit this data directly in SharePoint. So there will be no printed form now onwards. Your organization, let's say, decided, and you want to create one form instead of printed form, web-based form or mobile form, you can say. So doing so, you can create one SharePoint list first, and you can create one Power App. So Power App will be connected to that particular list whenever that user submitted any data. uh, that data will get submitted in SharePoint list, and there will be automated flow. That flow will trigger one mail to a particular person pre-decided, whether it will be the assigned person or the person who actually submitted the data based on the requirement. Okay, this is simple thing needed in most of the companies where they want any inspection kind of app, or they needs any auditing kind of app, or they need any incident reporting app, these kind of things. Okay, so today I am actually uh, telling you about that incident reporting app. I am actually taking this use case for you. Okay, so let's see how it can happen. First of all, we need to create one list, SharePoint list. So this will be the column name. Okay. If you want to see the types of the columns, here it is. So address of incident, it will be not be the first column, but yes, here it is. Address of the incident, where incident is happened, assigned person or group. Why group? Let's say there is a group of people who actually take care if there in any incident. I hope you understand what incident means. Incident means is, let's say there is a water industry, or there is natural gas and oil industry, or any factory is there. So worker actually work in particular fields, correct? In these fields, let's say there is a pipe leakage, okay, or some accident happens, or let's say some observation they found that there is some kind of malfunction things are going to happen, this kind of things. So they, what they do, they actually uh, create some metadata and take some pictures of the things, and they wanted to upload, correct? So these kind of things we will cover in today's um, demo. So assigned person and group. So assigned person group means, let's say there is a group of people who actually take care if there is any kind of incident happens in your organization, they will get notified. Okay, so uh, another thing is reporter name, who actually going to report of this particular incident. So both are person or group, but the thing is that one property is different, is called allow selection of people and group for assigned person or group, because it may be group or it may be one single person, but for reporter name it will always be one people. Okay, this is the difference between these two columns. Rest of the things are same, there is no change. Okay, okay, so this is the part of SharePoint list. Now we will go to the app. Who are actually doing their first app? I can say you that there is a Canvas app at the first. When you are coming here, how you come here? Yeah, so web.powerapps.com, this is the area you need to enter. Whatever credential provided by your company, I hope that will be E3 package in it. E3 package is the basic package every organization have, and using the E3 package you can create your own app uh, and share app with the organization. But the thing is that you can understand that Power App can connect 250 plus connectors. Okay, some of the connectors are premium, some of the connectors are basic. So if you go for premium connectors, you need to purchase Power App P1 license, Power App P2 license based on the needs. Currently I will say don't focus all this licensing. This licensing thing is very complicated. Okay, you need to give some time to understand what kind of license needed for Office 365 to avail such some point of times where when you are uh, getting some service uh, in particular area. So forget about that. So now just concentrate on creating one canvas app. Why I'm ignoring model driven or portal? Because it is not for thing basic thing is just for canvas. So go for canvas app. There is a two kind of layout, one is phone layout, one is tablet layout. So we will choose phone layout for that. Okay, so there is many kind of things are there. Screen, many types of screen are there, many types of themes are there. So you need to explore one by one what is this kind of UI of IDE, you can say. So right now I am going to my developed app directly. I just wanted to show what will happen. So there will be one start button. So how you avail this, or how the particular field person will avail these kind of things. I am assuming everyone from your organization have one smartphone. Okay, and there is a Intune you need to install in your mobile, and then you can go for Power App download from your Play Store. If it is Android, if it is other operating system, you need to find out what will be the store where you can get the Power Apps. Okay, when you download the Power Apps, you need to put your credential, whether it is E3 credential, E3 license credential, or A1 license credential based on your needs. Then whenever you submit your credential, you can see the list of apps which people shared with you or you have developed. Okay, let's say one of them should be incident reporting app. If you go for start, you can get one form. In this form, let's say reporter name will be Anirudh Viswas. Okay, contact number is some xyz. Assigned predefined groups are showing here. If you need some custom groups, you need to type this is the custom group I have developed. Or if you need some person name, you can put the person name. Okay, incident, uh, address of the incident you can put as per your choice. Details of incident, what happened, you can put here. Next is attachment. So for attachment you can put your images, how many images you want. Okay, then you can submit. Either you can upload the image or you can directly catch from your mobile camera. So that particular attachment button, whenever you click the attachment button, it will ask you whether you need to take picture or you need to browse the picture from your gallery, mobile gallery. So it is very simple, but it is a web version, that's why it is not appearing there. Okay, now data recorded submitted successfully, correct. This is the thing. Now how I develop this, I will create another script for you, no problem. I'm deleting or I'm creating new one. So this is the one. Okay, it will take not more than 5 minutes, don't worry. So this is the app. Now I can see the data source. Now for the first time you cannot see the data source. This is the icon of the data source. I'm deleting this data source. Okay, first. Now what I will do, I will click on the connector. I will find there is all the connectors are there. You can see there is the diamond thing. Diamond icon means that this is the premium license holder can use it. So don't go for it right now. just try to find your SharePoint. SharePoint is the only one. First time you cannot see this thing, so you need to click add. So you can connect just directly, or I already have done, so I am choosing from here. Okay, now this is my site. Copy, paste. Okay, all the list from that particular site it is showing here. I am just choosing mine. Here it is. So in the data source of this particular form, as I said, this is a form. Okay, in this form I just wanted to choose my own list. Okay, it is auto generated. Now maybe you don't need title, so you just delete. Okay, or that form mode should be new for the first time. If you keep it edit, it will be blank because edit needs some ID to render the form. So for that matter, you can do the like this. Okay, now you need to submit this form, so go for button, put it submit. Now what is the property of the button? There is a no on click button who is coming from .NET. You can expect on click or something like that. No, it is on select. So in here, submit form. What is the name of the form? Form 2. Just take it form 2. After submitting the data, what you need? Redirection of the screen. Where? The home screen or welcome screen, let's say. Okay, so this is the screen 2. In the welcome screen there is a start button. In this start button I said go to screen 1. Instead of that I will say it go to screen 7, screen 2, and I want the reset the form actually for the first time. Got it? So I am here now. Again I am putting my name. Now Gopal name is here. Let's I'm putting some number. My name is here. Address, details of the incident, some pictures again. Submit. Got it? It came here. In the next video I will show you uh, how to trigger one flow to send the mail from here. Okay, uh, actually I am targeting one series for Power App Basics. I mean, some of the people who actually wanted to start but they don't know where to start, so this is a good part to tell uh, how you can do one thing. I mean, gradually. Let's say first it will be form based, then I will try to cover there will be multiple screen with a single list, how to club in one point and submit in the database. After submitting the data, how you can get the ID of the last submitted whatever the record you are submitted. There are many tricks and tips I will tell you. I mean, there is a thing called patch. If you don't want to use forms, just want to use controls one by one, you can use control, and later you can patch all these things and submit the record again. So there are many methods out there, but form based development is very fast, very easy to use. So we can go, we actually took this thing in the first demo. Okay, let me know if you have any kind of questions or any kind of problems you are facing while development. Please share. I will try my best to give you the answer. Okay, till goodbye.